Hi guys, David and David here from payitforward.com and upphone.com, and in this video we're going to explain what to do when your iPhone charging port is loose.
Now, your iPhone charging port might be loose, but it also might not be loose.
Right, there could be some compacted debris inside the charging port that's making it feel like it's loose, but it's actually just there's a bunch of gunk in there and you gotta clean it out.
Right, that happens a lot of the time. So we got a charging cable here and an anti-static brush.
If you don't have one of those, just get a new toothbrush, one that you've never used before.
Right,
And
toothbrushes work just as well.
get in there and
Just start,
clean it out.
yep, getting in there. And actually, I just got some crap out of there.
There you go, look at you.
Gingivitis, just kidding. Yeah, no, I
Yeah,
did. Look at
and
that.
also if you have your phone in your pocket a lot during the day, lint can really start to build up in that charging port, so you got to be careful.
Wow, that's good. Try not to use metal things in there because
Yeah.
it is sensitive and can be damaged.
Yeah, and toothpicks can snap off and break and make the problem worse.
Yep, and tissues, same thing.
Yeah, so
well, they don't snap.
just get a new toothbrush.
Yeah.
99 cents at the pharmacy. So you cleaned it out. We actually want to talk real quick about some of the ways this actually happens when the charging port does actually break. So first up, we've got these headphones here.
Right. This is what we used to see at the Apple Store all the time. People would come in with their iPhones like this, and they're charging, and this is how it breaks. Because if you wrap your headphones around your iPhone when you travel and leave them plugged in, this puts a lot of strain on the charging port, which is connected to the logic board of the iPhone with solder, and it's screwed in. It's not supposed to break, but it can. So we want to eliminate as much strain as possible, especially like you can imagine if you're traveling, it's in your pocket, somebody bumps into you, and then bang, that can make it loose. So the simple fix to this is just unplug.
Yeah, they're still wrapped around. They're just not plugged in.
Yeah, perfect. Easy.
Simple enough.
Yeah, and one of the things I wanted to point out that I noticed as we were preparing to make this video is that the dongle that Apple makes is specifically designed not to put extra stress on that charging port. It's kind of hard to. They made it, nice and little.
Intelligent design right there.
Indeed.
So if your iPhone charging port is in fact loose and broken, you're gonna have to get it repaired. There's not really another option to do. Apple Store, especially if you have AppleCare Plus, we also recommend some great third-party repair services. We'll link to those in the description section below and a card up above.
Right. This isn't supposed to happen. If you're not under warranty, though, it might be worthwhile to check out those third-party services that David mentioned because it can be a lot cheaper than going to the Apple Store.
Yep. So that's what to do when your iPhone charging port is loose. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Leave us a comment down below with any other questions, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great iPhone videos. There should be a nice big button right here. We've got some other great videos. Well, after you fix your charging port, battery tips over there, another video here.
Video. And you got link here.
You got a lot of stuff. There's a lot of great stuff to watch.
That's it.
Thank you guys for watching.
We did it.